Now consider a road where one side merges with another, and part of it is unpaved. One car must wait for the other to complete the turn first, as the curve is too tight for both vehicles to pass at the same time. This prevents collisions. Next situation, a blue car and a fire truck. Even if the blue car has priority, it must give way to the fire truck, as emergency vehicles always have priority. After the fire truck passes, the blue car can continue safely. Now consider an intersection without clear stop signs, but functioning like a four-way stop. In this case, the rule is simple. The first vehicle to arrive is the first to go. Always check carefully before crossing,